Hello everyone, I'm Mcclendon, and today I bring you Theta. I will be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, some market information, the news combined with their website, and last, a price prediction. Let's begin. Theta, the ticker is THETA, sitting at currently $7.91. This cryptocurrency's market cap is at almost $8 billion. So there's a lot of players, a lot of liquidity into this market. Let's also find out, guys, what is Theta? Theta is a blockchain-powered network purpose-built for video streaming. Wonderful, guys. So that's what, if you want to look at about a purpose-built, what is this cryptocurrency for? And then you're looking at for utility, try that out. But let's see what markets we can trade and hodl this position, these positions, if you want. We got Binance, Hubble Global, KuCoin. So they're all the big ones. It is in the top, I think number 31 on the list. Wonderful. Now let's check out, guys, their website. Here's Theta. The token, ThetaToken.org. Pretty cool website, guys. If you want to check out more things about the news and where they're at, some of their videos, please check that out. Also, they're on Twitter too. So if you're on Twitter, guys, please check it out. They have a huge following of 212,000 followers. I'm on Twitter also, so check me out under Mcclendon. I post things about, finance, trading, political stuff. Well, let's get to their news, guys. So their news, I haven't found a lot of things on it, but for the last one that I did find, if you guys are looking at finding, I will have a link below. Upcoming parachain auctions send Polkadot to new ATH, while CHR and Theta follow. If you want to learn more about it, guys, please check it out. I have the article posted below. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So our price prediction, we got a young trade, a young market. So for me, I'm going to be focusing, guys, on hodling and how I would approach this. If you are in this cryptocurrency at these cheap prices, you're sitting fat, you're sitting great. That is amazing. I'm happy for you guys. So let's see, for people who are, for myself, for getting in right now. So guys, once again, I would be doing a market buy and looking at previous highs. Since I'm buying at $7.91, my upside potential that I can see, if I go up, I would be going to the buy to this closeout right here. Ooh, $12.35. I wish I got in this cryptocurrency earlier. It would have been such a way better price prediction. But you can't know about all the cryptocurrencies. There's so many coming out. So for this one, guys, I wouldn't trade it at all. I would be planning on hodling it. And since we're trading on the monthly, on this big, massive move, I would be placing maybe one buy limit for my hodl position down here, since it's only on a 2-month move. My price prediction, guys, would be $12. I can't really use many indicators for this. I mean, I can kick it to the daily and see how this goes. But it's it's the same thing, guys. Let me move this chart over here a little bit, get rid of this. Since the super trend is hanging out right here and it's going from the red to green, I will be buying and placing a buy limit right here. I don't see this as a real tradable thing, how volatile it is, but for me, I'll be hodling right here, and I use the same analogy I do in every other video. If I get paid on Friday, just say I get paid at $500, I'll take $100 of this and put into Theta coin every single Friday. I'll build up this over time. So if the market goes down or up, I dollar cost average in, and I will be taking off at these price points. I need a big swing because that's what I would be wanting if I'm hodling this position. But I'll be taking off profits on every single high after this $9 level. So after $9 level, everything up here, $12, take some profits, entering also as much as I can down here before it hits these highs. That's my price prediction, guys. $12. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I'll comment below. We're going to have that conversation. But let's get to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. Please check it out, guys. If you want to book a session and learn more about cryptocurrency, trading, or investing, please, we can have that conversation, have that session for 30 days. Also, if you guys want to learn more about stocks, indicators, stuff like that, I have that on the website. Check it out. I'm currently updating my website to have a platform for cryptocurrency, so we can have a blog/group in there with information. So please wait for that update, and I'll update you guys on the next couple videos when that's finished. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.